scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Chromatography questions are tricky, but we can solve this fast. Let's analyze molecule polarity to find the right phases for this experiment. In thin-layer chromatography, components move based on their affinity for the phases. Polar molecules stick to polar surfaces, while nonpolar molecules travel further with a nonpolar solvent moving up the plate. Ethanoic acid is the most polar compound here because of its hydroxyl group. Since it stayed at the bottom, the stationary phase must be polar to hold it back so strongly. Hexane is nonpolar and moved furthest. This means the mobile phase must be nonpolar to carry it. Option D is our winner. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Avoid rushing and trust the data to identify the correct molecular interactions.